Okay, so here we have our sliced breadfruit, and now we're going to add some oil in our frying pan in order to fry our breadfruit to make our breadfruit chips. So making this is quite simple. It's just a matter of frying the breadfruit until golden brown on both sides. And by doing that, it becomes nice and crunchy. So after you take it out of the frying pan, you will want to place it on some paper towel in order to help to soak up the excess oil. And then while it is still hot, you can sprinkle some sea salt on it, and then that's it. It's very simple. Simply frying, adding sea salt, and you have delicious breadfruit chips.